Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to add Google Fonts on Canva. This is a great way to expand your typography options and give your designs a more unique and professional look. Now let's get started. Now, on your Canva dashboard, for example, if you want to add a font to your text that comes from Google Fonts, all you have to do is open a new tab and type Google Fonts. Once you're there, just click on Google Fonts. Here, you just need to choose the font you want to use next. For example, let's choose this one. Then, you just have to click Get Font and download the font. As you can see, it is now downloading. Once the download is complete, the font will be on our computer. As you can see here, extract it. To extract this, you just need to extract the files and then extract once more. Once you're here, this is your font now. Now, to add this to your Canva, all you have to do is click the text and then click on the font here. Then you will see the Upload Font option. Click this Upload button. But before you do that, make sure you already have the Canva Business Plan or Canva Pro Plan, so you can update this or upload your font from Google Fonts. Once you upload the font, you can now start using your font from Google Fonts. And that's how we add Google Fonts to Canva. With this simple method, we can enhance our designs and keep our branding consistent across all projects.